Punta po kayo sa Chrome ninyo. Click Chrome, then let registration. Click let registration and then Lyris Professional. Click. Then go proceed. I agree, proceed. Then go proceed. Then click the green box. Then close. Close. Click sign in. Sign in to your Lyris account. Then go sign in. Logging in, wait. Then go proceed. Then click select transaction. Go proceed. Okay. Then type examination type professional teacher. Then if you are first timer, type first timer or repeater. I am a repeater. Then click also the date of the examination and then the place where you are going to take the board examination. I am the secondary and English teacher. Click, and if you are a unit learner, you have to proceed and click the school where you are finished where you completed your unit in the school year also. Yeah, we're going to type. Click proceed. And then you type Pagadian where you're going to take your board examination. Then click proceed. Makikita nyo dyan kung anong ang schedule or date na kung kailan kayo pupunta o magsasubmit ng inyong requirements sa PRC office. Then, hanapin nyo yung tas dyan. Hanapin nyo yung Gcash. Dito kung pinili ko dito virtual. Then proceed. Then submit. Then you are redirecting to your Gcash account. Then click Gcash. Payment processing. Then open in a Gcash. Then type your password of your Gcash. Then wait. Then click skip for now. And click pay. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And bye-bye.